lights or diya are three different names for one very powerful source of energy. In various traditions, we all believe in deep or light to be equal to God, and that's why we offer and do its puja. In this difficult time of pandemic since last year, we all have been fighting till today. Even after crossing all hurdles, whole world is participating in Tokyo Olympics, in which Indian representatives are leaving no stone unturned to show their best in Olympic in Tokyo. So we take a moment to give gratitude to Indian representatives who are participating and showing their best. So here the Blossom is celebrating this Deepa Puja with the theme Indian Footprints in Olympics. दीपज्योति परम ज्योति दीपज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. Energy of Diya help us to develop and spread the vibrant vision, bright light, prosperous future and hope of positivity. These all are the sparkling diyas for this and coming more years. So come, let us celebrate this warmest, soulful Deepa Puja by lighting diyas and express gratitude towards Indian representative in Tokyo Olympics. A girl lifting firewood as a kid to being elevated onto international podiums. Weightlifter Saikom Mirabai Channu story is one of the remarkable rise. Mirabai Channu sprung to international prominence at the age of 20 when she bagged the silver medal in the 48 kg category at 2014 Commonwealth Games in Scotland. She had an idol to try and emulate, finding the inspiration from the exploit of India's most decorated female weightlifter Kunjarani Devi. At the 2021 Asian Weightlifting Championship in Tashkent in April, Mirabai Channu set a new world record in the clean and the jerk with a lift of 119 kg. Youth level was very easy for me. It was not until 2013 I realized how difficult it was at senior. A quote by Saikom Mirabai. Pusarala Venkata Sindhu is arguably the most prolific Indian badminton star of the 21st century. As the first Indian woman to win a silver medal at the Olympics and gold at BWF World Championship, the world champion is in a class by herself when it comes to Indian badminton in the 21st century. I am trying to master some of the finer aspects to be consistent winner of the titles. Quote by P.V. Sindhu. Indian boxer Lavinia Borgan defeated Chinese Tai Peis in Chin Chen in the quarterfinal to secure India another medal at Tokyo Olympics. The 23-year-old became just second Indian woman boxer from India after the legendary Mary Kom to win an Olympic medal. Lavinia is assured of at least a bronze medal, but she will be aiming much higher. An ordinary girl from Kom tribe of Manipur, India, who fearlessly pursued her dreams without bothering about the bars and proved the world that nothing is bigger than the desire to win by being the first Indian female boxer to earn an Olympic medal for her nation. This six-time world amateur boxing champion had numerous face-offs while chasing her dreams. But the best part was that she never quit fighting against the odds, which also included her family who never wanted her to become a boxer. Mary's successful career proved that champions are not born, they are made. In the sportsman's life, pressure is always there. You have to learn to deal with it, said by Mary Kom. Hockey players have fire in their hearts and ice in their veins. Quote for hockey team, which was proved on the day 10 of Tokyo Olympics. The Indian women's hockey team scripted history today by qualifying for the Olympic Games semi-final for the first time, beating three times champions Australia by a solitary goal. A day after the Indian men's team entered the Olympics semi-final following a 49-year gap, the world's number 9 women's aside also entered the history book with phenomenally gritty performance. Ravi Kumar Dahiya finished with the silver medal after losing 7-4 to world champion Zaur Ugwe of Russia in the keenly fought men's 57 kg freestyle final on Thursday. The 23-year-old Ravi became the second Indian wrestler after Sushil Kumar to get a silver medal in the Olympics. Kamalpreet Kaur stormed into the finals of the women's discus throw event as she finished second in the overall qualification heats with the best attempt of 64 meter on her third and final throw. The 25-year-old decided to take up the sport professionally from Sri Muktasar Sahib district of Punjab to the Tokyo Olympics. Her story is inspiring, to say the very least. Here is how the inspirational career has panned out so far. Heartfelt thank you. Though the times have been difficult, their dedication towards the game did not shake a bit. We, the teams of GIS Blossom International School, highly appreciate their work on the occasion of Deep Puja. Let the rays of Diya upsprang in every Indian to achieve many more in upcoming Olympics. Life is not just about the darkness or light. Rather, it's about finding light within the darkness. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityuma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.